Hello everyone, it's Patty. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be sharing with you the unboxing of the gorgeous June whale tail box from Simply Gilded. Now, as always, as I do customer service for the box, I receive my box early, but if you are a subscriber, you will receive a shipment confirmation this week. And if you have not subscribed, please make sure to check simplygilded.com, as the box is still in stock, and so you can subscribe and get all these goodies that are included this month. Now, the theme is absolutely darling, and I kind of try to match my nails to the box. It's not a perfect match. We have this gorgeous soft pastel baby blue with this silver or iridescent kind of like holo foil. We have this beautiful heart with the whale, which it's an adorable, by the way, little whale. It says whale tails, and in the back we have an underwater scene with a starfish with some little juniper right in the middle. We can see a little bit of aurora foiling over there, and then some jellyfish floating around. It's super duper cute. And this box, by the way, is loaded with so many goodies, and the only thing I will not be sharing with you is the mystery item, as I don't want to ruin anybody's surprise. But let me start by showing you exactly what is included in this box with the little menu card that we get. And it says we're getting a foil journaling card, designer washi tapes, deluxe sticker kits and seal, large album with foil details, B6 stitch binding notebook, engraved gel ink pen, heart-shaped sticky notes, acetate and vellum sheets, washi cards, and mystery item. So let's just start with something that I was immediately, I just love these so much. These are little washi cards, and we've gotten washi cards from Irene before, but these, I don't know, they're very special to me. I don't know, they're just so adorable, and the packaging is just as cute, because if you can see, here's the backing, and there's this cute little whale there. So definitely keep this, trim off if you want the top, and you can use this as a page marker. You can use this as a little decoration for your pockets, etc. Now we're getting 5 cards, and they're all beautiful design. They're very soft, so it's kind of hard to tell. We have this soft periwinkle pink with the little they have little bows. Oh, they are adorable. So we have the little jellyfish that are floating around with little bows on their heads. Then we're having this kind of little Finding Nemo moment. It's so adorable. It says keep swimming, just too cute. So it's little Dory with Nemo. And then we're having this nautical line, and little nautical stripe, I would say, a design. It goes from pinks to little turquoise to silver, blue, etc. And then this gorgeous pattern, which is repeated, you'll see in other parts of the box, and it's just stunning. It's just kind of an abstract pattern, but it has a little stars in there, so there's hearts. It's super beautiful. And then, of course, we have to have the little whale, and she also has a little flower on her head, so she's a friendly little whale. And then here is the card, which is like the little washi card, and look at the color. I mean, this is kind of like a periwinkle, I would say, more the beautiful pattern of these hearts, the starfish. I mean, it's just almost mesmerizing. It's just gorgeous. This would go perfectly with anything you want to do: cards, dashboards, page markers. And look how it shimmers. There's that little shimmering accent over there. Super pretty. And then the pen matches the theme and kind of matches my nails. So we have an ombre effect here. It goes from a baby blue with a little bit of a periwinkle in it to a little darker blue. And then we have the silver stars, and these are, as always, 0.5 millimeter gel ink pen. They write beautifully. If you run out of ink, we do sell the ink refills on the website, and you can buy them in black or blue. And then we're having the TN insert, which has that kind of updated nautical stripe. So it's a very soft pink periwinkle in the back. We're having this holo finish, which is the finish of the box. And so how gorgeous is this? This just will make a beautiful t-shirt, and the lining is little dots this month, so you can use it for everything you want. Of course, this is a basic size, and Irene has mentioned that we're going to be having an A5 coming in soon, so if you prefer A5, it's coming in a future box. And again, this you can use for you know, anything you want to make lists. If you are a planner like me, you can keep it in your planner, or you can take it around with you with your shopping list. You can journal, bullet journal, anything, memory keeping, anything you want. Then we having the vellum acetate, which are not always included, but I'm always excited when they are. And we're getting, first of all, let me show you the acetate, which of course, being transparent, is a little hard to share, but I don't know if you can tell, we're having beautiful stars in holo. They're picking up, so they're holo design, and then there's silver on one side and silver on the other. And then we're having the design of the vellum, the card that I showed you earlier. It comes in the vellum. The vellum is definitely more blue than periwinkle compared to the card, but still those pink accents, they just get me. There's just something magical about this pattern. It's very unique. I've never seen anything like it. It's nautical, but not nautical, you know what I'm saying? And then I think this is the star of the show, because I've been kind of rushing through the reveal to get to this baby, because how magnificent is this? So this is the first time that Irene has actually included a full-size large sticker album, because these are so expensive, and these also have a custom print, custom color, like custom foiling. You can see the stars are I think that, yes, they are holographic. They're just gorgeous. We have the scalloped edge. We have the silver heart closure. And so these are so expensive that this is truly a treat. The box this month, as Irene mentioned, is worth probably $80 or $90. So it's a steal at $30. And when you open it up, the inside is this very beautiful creamy white as a pocket here. And then you're getting 20 pages. And of course, you can use this to store your stickers. Our stickers fit perfectly in here. And you can see there's one pocket on each side. But don't feel like, you know, you can use this as a planner. So you can remove the little, if you want to, these little clips here, and then string it to become, you know, like a traveler notebook. If you're not that adventurous, if you're afraid of ruining it, this can be easily used for memory keeping. And this is what I will be sharing with you. You know, I'm gonna have a little project for it. I'm waiting for some you know, something else that I don't want to disclose the theme yet. I'm not gonna do the underwater theme. I'm gonna try to use the underwater theme for something else, but this color inspired me for a memory keeping theme, and I'm waiting on some supplies to receive them, but as soon as I get them, I'll show you, and it's gonna turn out gorgeous. And then we're getting this cutie pie. I mean, how adorable are the little vellum notes? These are teeny tiny little hearts. They're vellum, so you can write on them using the micro perm pens that we have included in previous boxes, so you should have them. And I just love this font. This is the new signature font for Irene. It's just adorable. It's just soft and it's pretty. I just love it. Now, continuing on the you know, my favorite things, here are the stickers. And I wanted to mention that if you buy the stickers only this month, so you're buying the stickers for $10 plus shipping, or you can have them added to your subscription box, buying the stickers only will get you the stickers inside this folder. And this folder, I don't normally get folders, but this folder is stunning. I mean, it's very, you can hear it, it's very sturdy, you know, kind of thick, you know, I don't know, it's not cardboard, it's, you know, heavyweight, thick paper. It has this beautiful periwinkle-ish baby blue. That's how I would describe it. It has a hint of little pink undertones. And look at the holographic stars, the bow. So, you know, if you do get the stickers only sub, or if you have added it, they will come into this with the journaling card. So it's super beautiful, and I'm gonna be using actually this this very folder in my project. So honestly, like for $10, including this, I mean, this is just a great deal. Now, if you have not subscribed to the sticker only and you're subscribed to the full box, you'll be getting all these stickers. Let me go through them, which are amazing. So let me see. Yes, I got everything. So here's the 2 large sheets of stickers, and the colors, I mean, there's something so whimsical, so dreamy about it. The colors, the patterns. We have one you know, here, one set of days of the week. We have then we have 5 full boxes. We have some washi strips. We have deco here with all the little fish. Then we have some little flags, and always silver foiling. You can see, you can barely see it because my lights are so strong, but you can see the signature font. I mean, like, I love this dream big, and then hello sunshine is just, you know, because it's a sunfish, and how adorable. Then we're going to the second sheet, and again, these are all in our signature unicorn paper. It's buttery soft, it prints beautifully, it picks up the colors beautifully. 2 more weeks of days of the week, and this has to be my favorite because it's got a little star, little shimmery stars right there beside the names of the week. And then we have a jellyfish. So we have 3 more full boxes. So we have some icons, we have some headers, we have some checklists, we have some bows. And by the way, Irina said that she is always, you know, thinking about reformatting stickers, so she may try to add an extra set of days of the week in the future, so look out for that. And then we're getting also this large sheet, which is getting larger. It used to be smaller, but now it's even larger. Now you're getting an extra full box here. You're getting 5 half boxes, more little deco, and 3 foiled heart checklists. So you get a ton of stickers for you know, $10. Think about it. And then you're also getting a sheet of the bow seals in these beautiful colors. I mean, it's just, I just love this color scheme. It's just stunning. And this one is my favorite because it's got the beautiful design of the little stars and the hearts, etc. And then you're getting 2 sheets of icons. One is this beautiful periwinkle with the days of the week plus icons. You can see the hollow design, I mean the hollow foil, adorable. And then how stunning is this? So this is an overlay, and Irina's done it one time. I don't know if you can tell it, but there's a sparkly overlay on top of the icons, and it's just a very beautiful effect. It's very soft, but it's there we go. Now we can see the sparkles. It's like that, you know, that shimmer paper that you can get. It's a sticky paper you can get at Hobby Lobby, and you can put it on your stickers to make them sparkle. So this is the same effect. It's an overlay. Now we're going into the washi, and the washi you can purchase, you know, if you purchase with the box, you'll get all this washi. If you get the washi only, you'll get all this washi plus the 5mm add-on and a journaling card. But let's start with the washi that's included in the full box. You're getting 8 rolls this month, and that is a ton. I mean, they are absolutely stunning, but 8 rolls, just the cost of these 8 rolls will cover basically the cost of the box. But here is the 10mm and 50mm bow washi, which is this very soft blue periwinkle color. And Irene was mentioning that it's been compared to the color that was released in the original pen gem box. It's a gorgeous color. Look at the hollow foil. I mean, it's actually almost looks like an aurora foil to me, but I may be wrong under the lights. But don't quote me. Look on the website. But look how gorgeous. Look how it shimmers. I mean, it's just stunning. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous color. Then we're getting perforated washi in the 10mm, and this is a hollow design. It's the days of the week, so you have your heart, and then so just if you're not familiar with it, so basically it's perforated already perfectly, so you can just rip them up. Clearly the first one is always a little off like that, but here we go. Actually, it wasn't off at all. But on one side, you have the little heart, so you can write your date. On the other one, you have the on the middle, you have the day of the week. You can put them right on top of your boxes. If you're using an Erin Condren size planner, they will fit perfectly. And then we are getting this bubble washi. So this is a smaller washi, I think is a 7 millimeter. How adorable is this? So it's just little bubbles, so it goes so beautifully, you know, with the theme. It's a little white bubbles that have this silver, you know, or holographic little foil around it, and it's also perforated. And you can use those for trackers, you know, like I track my water, so that would be perfect for me. Then we have one little underwater scene. So this one is a little harder to see under my lights, but it's a blue that has, again, it's a little bit of purple undertones to me, and it has a little scene, a little fish floating around. How adorable are these fish? I mean, we have the little dory, we have the sunfish. I mean, they're super duper cute. I just love it. And a little bit of aurora foil, I think, on it. And again, I'm not the best with foils, guys, so bear with me. Then we're having the 50 millimeter. This is the one that Irene was waiting for. So some of you may, if you have seen the reveal, you may have missed on this one, but this one is a stunner. The pink is just the perfect pink in the background, number one. Then we are seeing this beautiful floating, oh, look how adorable. Actually, this will look vertical. This will look beautiful when it's in a vertical. So we have the jellyfish, there we go, floating around, and they have like a pink foiling on it. It's just beautiful. I don't know, actually I really like it vertical. This will make a very interesting, different looking dashboard, you know, instead of doing horizontal or diagonal. Then probably my favorite washi, just because I love landscapes, and this is not a traditional landscape, but this is like an underwater landscape. So we have this whale shark, we have coral, we have little turtles swimming around, we have little schools of fish, and so I think it's silver foiling going around, and it's just gorgeous. I mean, it's just like totally, absolutely dreamy. And then we're having the nautical stripe, which is like the, you know, the TN insert that you received. Is just more condensed, and it has little lines of holographic stripes going through it. Now, if you love the 5mm add-on as much as I do, this is one of the cutest 5mm add-ons. So this does not come in the full box. It comes with the washi only subs, and you will get 4 of the 5mm, and so you'll get one with a periwinkle blue with stars, with aurora foil. We'll get one little 5mm with a soft pastel pink with, I think that's a holo foil, little bows, and then you have this beautiful soft pink, and let me show you that one, because I've never seen, that's an aurora. There we go, you can see it better, the aurora foil. And then this one, which is the one that is split, the top is kind of a crackled holographic finish and soft pink. So this is everything you get, guys. And by the way, the washi comes in this beautiful little bag, and I'm keeping all my bags because I want to come up with a little project for them. But in the meantime, here is, I don't want to include this unless this you only get if you get the stickers only, so just don't want to show it to get anybody confused. But again, if you have not subscribed, please make sure to go on the website, as the box is currently available on the website, so you can get yours. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me on Instagram at PlanningFancy. If you have any subscription issues or problems, just send us an email at our customer service emails, simplygildedbox@gmail.com, and we'll be glad to answer to you right away. And I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful week.